All right, it's raining. Weren't planning on that. Put the van real quick here. Oh, all right. So, Fredo brought his dad down fishing with us. I've never fished with his dad before. Super stoked to get him on some carp today. We're gonna have a blast. It's really shitty. And we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully we get a mirror or two. That's what I'm really hoping for. There's a ton of comments in here, but there's quite a few really pretty mirrors. So fingers crossed, let's get some fish. That's the squid, right?
Yep, that is the squid. Got Todd's mix today. Oh, there's the sun.
Yeah, I told you it was coming.
Nice.
Bitch wants to go out. Come out to play. Got him?
I think so.
Where's the net?
I don't have one set up yet.
Fuck. He's going.
Something. I don't know.
Small?
If it's a carp. I don't know. Oh yeah, here's some weight. Might be a catfish. Is there catfish in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Small ones.
Oh yeah, it looks like a cat.
Nope. Yeah. Nope. Fall fish. What's a red horse?
Not a red horse, but they got suckers.
Yeah, it's like a dace or whatever it is. That's
Almost.
probably the coolest looking one I've ever seen.
Yeah, very pretty.
And it's huge.
Pinned them.
Sure did. New species for you?
No, I've caught them. This is PB for the new species.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting that.
Nope.
Nope. That's really sweet, Fred. Good? Yeah, oh yeah. Cool.
Bye.
Sweet.
1 hour later.
As soon as it realizes it has some like slack in it, it isn't snagged up, it about faces, charged me, went right past the snag. You're on, Todd. Todd's on. Oh,
Yeah.
God. Did it snap? Oh, no, no. It just pulled, hook pulled like it. I didn't even feel any weight. I felt nothing.
Hook broke. Feed rig now.
What? Look at that. Absolutely ridiculous. First fish of the day for me. Must have been really small, that one.
5 hours later.
He's snagged? Where? Way out there? Where's it snagged?
I don't know.
You can't lose another fish.
I'm wrapping it into that tree there. And I don't know what he's got. It feels like he's snagging something else.
It's not deep here, but where the fish is, it's deep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get wet. Dude, we gotta get this fish.
stuck in something. This thing went fucking screaming, bro. Stuck in the rock. Gone, yeah. I'm so glad I have jeans in the fucking car. If you don't, I haven't.
Get the net! Dude, it's snagged.
No, stop reeling like a sick. Just let work with it. You got it. Just keep the pressure. You got it. You got it. Here, I'll get you out of that.
I'm coming.
I'm snagged up over there, dude.
Slowly pulling through.
Somebody run over there. He's snagged up.
What do you mean we're over there?
Like he's snagged in the snag.
Move, he's moving.
I can't.
He's moving. Keep pulling him. He's moving.
Try to get your shit on the top of that
Yeah,
thing.
get your shit on that tree.
There you go. Pull him left.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
There you go. Yeah.
Where's the net?
I got it. Don't worry.
Is that filming?
Fred, I got it.
Yep. Pointed that up a little bit, Fred.
Get in there.
Not the end of the fight. Oh well.
Wouldn't have been able to run up and get battery fast enough anyways.
No. It's such a ding.
I got the one.
Oh yeah, we got the whole run and most of the fight. But then it just missed the end. That's fine. I ain't worried about it. First fish of the day. We went geez, how long? Many hours.
Yeah.
We've been fishing since sunrise. It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. We've been fishing since sunrise. It's 2 p.m. now, and whew, we had to fight for that bite. Lost 2 fish already, yeah, which sucks. So I went in for this thinking it was like gonna be a giant, and of course it's just a little baby carp. It's nice looking though. The big camera. Get out there. Fred, can you get this one? And the big can. You can even hold them both. All right. I'm already wet, so I might as well.
Run, bro, run!
Just get ready because once this starts coming ashore, I know.
Greg, can you help me real quick?
What?
Just my shoes. Soft.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. You got it.
Just hand tied the net.
Come in, dog. Come in. He's right here in front of us, Todd. Yay. Okay.
Content.
Redemption. This water is so cold. It's a little football, dude. Little chunky boy.
Watch out, Todd. I'm about to pull the net.
Look at the orange in that.
I know,
tail,
the tails
dude.
are awesome. Right there near my fingers too, it's pretty wild. Good fall colors.
Healthy
Get a
fish.
little release.
Yeah. Yeah,
Little goodbye
dude.
splash. Little goodbye
dude.
splash.
Sick.
3 hours later.
Last cast of the day for Fred. We have all but given up, folks, but we're at one last spot. We've caught 2 fish on the day, lost a couple, but I'm gonna cook up some pork chops and we're gonna hopefully land one more fish. Let's see what we can do.
I marked something small right there.
Yeah, this little thing. I left it to a log so you can put it on the log. Probably a good idea.
Oh yeah, yeah. Pretty dope. So we had these homies send us this wonderful knife and fire pit to do a catch and cook. We're out here today. We're not going to be doing a catch and cook. We're just going to be cooking because we're not eating these carp. We're hungry and we have some pork chops. So let's get this thing undone, unfolded, and see how it works. I'm actually excited to see this thing. It's super lightweight and super portable. So if it does work and work well, we're going to be stoked for this thing, right?
You know it, baby.
Think about that. How about them apples? Will you grab that bucket? Oh, nice. Little carrying case for it. That's pretty sweet. Hot damn.
5 hours later.
Yeah, that's it right there.
There you go. Hell yeah, son.
Maybe the
Oh,
slug's
yeah.
go inside.
Yeah.
You're right, you're right. There you go. That thing's sick. Just being able to have like this grill anywhere. Super light. Pretty dope. Lowry seasoning salt is the only way to go. Sick. It's all you need. Prime time. I could probably get it in that tree and have it. All right. These things are done. Probably not how I should be holding this, but whatever. Sue me. This knife cuts like butter, but it is like brand spanking new. Super, super, super sharp.
That's pretty good.
Dude, Lowry seasoning salt's the only way. I thought you weren't hungry.
No, it's actually really good.
Please
boy.
help me. It's pork is like cooked pretty much perfect, I think.
Hit me up when you get back to your trip.
I will.
Oh damn, Gina. I'm putting one on the hook. We're gonna put a piece of this pork on the hook. I'm gonna cross my fingers. Fire. The little grill is just dope. Freaking just perfect. Woo! Banging. Digging it.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though.